Here we have Nilesh Jain. He is the head AVP at Technical Derivatives Research as well as at Centrum Broking, pardon me. And Akshay P. Bhagwat, he's a Senior VP at GM Financial who joins us on the show. Good morning to both of you. Thanks so much for taking the time out. Nilesh, are you looking at the Nifty now that it has weakened? Do you think that there could be more weakness in store, or could there be a little bit of pause in this weakness going forward?
Morning, Agam. So it has been a kind of a consolidation. That's what we are witnessing from past 8 to 10 sessions now. Nifty earlier formed a strong base of around 24,700. Now looking at the overall setup today being a weekly expiry, the data suggests that 24,800 where we have witnessed a fresh put writing yesterday, and it has a meaningful Y concentration as well. So I think today's expiry point of view, Nifty may oscillate in the range of 24,800 to 24,900. That can be 100-point expiry range for the Nifty. But overall going forward, it looks like Nifty may see some more pain from here. If at all it takes out 24,700 on the lower side, then we might see a further drop towards 24,500 levels. And that's the next major support of 100 moving average. So that might be tested from here. Any pullback towards 25,000 might get sold into. We need a decisive breakout of 25,200 levels to confirm it as a short-term bottom formation. But as of now, there are no signs of it. So yes, we expect some consolidation with slightly negative bias on which is basing the bank in the Nifty index.
All right. Well, your view on the Bank Nifty?
Well, Agam, Bank Nifty is currently at a very crucial juncture. Historically, it has taken a constant support of its 100-day moving average, and recently also we have seen a rebound from the same. So as of now, that level is currently placed at 51,500. So till the time it doesn't closes below the same, we can expect a kind of a pullback in the Bank Nifty as well. So these are the futures levels for the Bank Nifty. 51,500 is going to act as a very crucial support on the closing basis. And if in case it closes below the same, then I think it is likely to test the levels of 51,000 or may slip below that level as well. So overall, the structure is not that promising, but we expect some consolidation in the Bank Nifty as well. We need a decisive breakout of 52,000 for any possibility of a short covering rally towards 52,500 to 53,000. And the broader range as of now for the Bank Nifty looks like 51,000 to 52,000. So that's the 1,000-point trading range. At current levels, there are no trade in the Bank Nifty. So better, I would prefer to wait and watch for some sort of a confirmation in the Bank Nifty.
Absolutely, wait and watch. That's the word coming in as far as the Bank Nifty is concerned, and from there on we talk about stocks then. Let's pull up all the stocks which are actually seeing an increase in open interest today. I'm sure there'll be plenty more shorts as compared to longs for now. A lot of shorts under pressure. Bajaj Auto right at the top of the list, losing out as much as 10%, 35% added in open interest. It's the same for Hero MotoCorp, which is under pressure as well. This one is also down around 4%, another 10 and 11% added in OI. In fact, it is the auto pack, isn't it, which is completely, getting washed out today. So you have Maruti Suzuki, which is down 2%, M&M, which is down around 2.7% right now, and both these are looking at shorts too. Bharat Heavy Electronics is the other one. Pardon me, BHE, that's Bharat Heavy Electricals, the other one, also down around 3.5%. Are we looking at unwinding? Well, no surprises there. All of them looking at longs which are unwinding at the moment. Godrej Properties stands out along with something like an Axis Bank. And Siemens India, just yesterday it made a new high, and it seems like that new high is getting sold into. So a lot of longs were built yesterday, and pardon me, Siemens India didn't make a new high, but it was trading at the highest levels in the last couple of months, and it does seem like it was denied entry into a newer zone at the moment. And for now we're looking at selling returning to Siemens India as well, along with the long unwinding coming in. But let's talk about stocks which are on the radar of our experts. Nilesh, back to you on stocks that are looking interesting to you right now.
Right, Adam. So we are having a balanced approach looking at the market volatility. So one buy and one sell. I'll start with the sell first. So JSW Steel is looking slightly on a weaker side. If you look at the Nifty Metal Index, where we have seen a formation of a low top and low bottom, and looking at the formation in the dollar index, I think there may be some more pain left for metal space. So JSW Steel, a short build-up is happening and it has declined for the fourth consecutive session. We expect further downtrend to continue. On the lower side, we might see the levels of 946. So that's the immediate target that we are eyeing on, and the stop loss can be placed somewhere around 1001. We have one contract trade, that's the buy in PSU banking space counter SBI. So State Bank of India, this particular stock is showing strength in spite of weakness that we have seen recently in the bank nifty space. This particular stock have outperformed, and we are witnessing a kind of a short covering move in the State Bank of India. We expect the follow move to continue towards 834. So that's the target. 795. Sorry, 798 will be our stop loss in State Bank of India.
Okay, there you have it. Akshay, what about you? Anything that you find interesting? You know, it's one of those markets where it's turning out to be it's one of those tough days, to be honest. But the viewer is still looking at, or rather still sitting at a little bit of a profit, considering it's currently trading at 26.7. Nilesh, your view on this specific call?
So Agam, the stock is currently witnessing more sort of consolidation and constantly facing resistance at the high levels. The 200-day moving average is somewhere around 3525, and today we have witnessed some bit of kind of a short build-up and started building up. So I don't see major downtrend from here, but at the same time don't see any V-shaped kind of recovery as well. So if at all we see any pullback towards 3500 to 3520, that will be a good exit for this particular call option. So keep an eye on the underlying. Currently, Titan is hovering near about this 100-day moving average that is placed at 3480. So any move beyond 3500 could be a good exit point for the from this particular call option.
Right. Also, you know, moving on to SBI, and I will take this one up with Akshay. So we have Param from Gujarat. He holds the SBI's 830 call and has paid a premium of 10. Again, the assumption is that it's a long call. Should I exit or should I hold? Let's take a look at where this one is currently. So the 830 call, again, a tad bit away. The spot is bought at around 15. The question is, should I add? Okay, so all right, so the premium currently is at 12, and this is a 760 call, and the spot is at 745. And Ramana is asking whether or not he should add on to his position. And currently, so it's the first one he's bought at 12, and currently, the first one he's bought at 15 is currently going at 12. So Nilesh, what should he do? He wants to know if he can add on to the position here.
So Agam, the structure is not looking bad. In fact, it is just out of the money call option. I think if already bought, then stay put, keep a stop loss somewhere around 9 rupees. Currently it is trading at 12 rupees. As far as underline is concerned, it is currently trading somewhere around 745. And if at all it breaks above 755, that will be considered as a good consolidation breakout. Post then we might see the levels of 770 to 780 as well. But as of now, there are multiple hurdles in this particular stock. I think going forward, we might see a gradual up move. So keep a strict stop loss somewhere around 9 and do not average till the time we don't see any decisive breakout. So better to, wait for that confirmation and stay put with your existing long position.
All right. Well, there you have it. That's the view coming in on ICICI Prudential. And with that, we are going to thank both our experts for joining us and taking us through their views in the markets, giving us a handful of trading ideas. To be honest, a tough trading market, and as well as solving our viewer queries. So, Nilesh and Akshay, thank you so much for joining in. And with